see it every day. Sometimes people don't step up. Things happen with teachers, and it was awesome.
Hi, I'm Lee Kaplan, and I'm the writer and performer of my autobiographical solo show called Bully. Now, as the Washington Post wrote, this is no ordinary assembly where I tell the audience about how bad bullying is. No. Instead, I bring my story to life, right in front of your eyes. There's music, original art illustrations and projections, and I use my boxing training to literally help me fight back. I also read passages from my journal, the same journal that I kept when I was 12 years old in the 6th grade, and I break down steps to directly combat bullying. This story is 100% true and has met with phenomenal feedback from audiences and press alike. Since we premiered the show in the fall of 2012, I've had the opportunity to perform the show for more than 6,000 people up and down the East Coast. I've talked with students, parents, educators, who've all told me that this show helps open up conversation. I've spoken with victims of bullying, and I've also talked to the bullies themselves. It's been an amazing experience, and we are so excited to continue the national tour in 2014.
Children, write this down. Bullying is the activity of repeated aggressive behavior intended to hurt or gain power over another person.
Hey, yo, you knock him down, why should try knocking me down?
My brother was willing to be Rocky.
Sky mercy, sky fear, sky memory share.
You know, I wish I could say that since I premiered this show, that kids in school have stopped mistreating each other, and the bullies in the workplace have learned their lesson. The truth is, this issue isn't going anywhere, and the numbers don't lie. This is our story. It's our moment. We have the power to decide how we're going to deal with this issue, and together, we can write a new ending. I hope I have the opportunity to perform my show at your school or theater, and I look forward to hearing from you. Please feel free to contact me at this email address with any questions you may have. And thank you so much for watching.
That was really amazing. Like, I was taken aback. Like, he was really good, and he did that all by himself.
It's not taking advantage of an idea. It's just really getting in touch with something powerful that needs to be put out there, and then to help people so that they don't have to go through the same thing. And it's a terrific performance. It's beautifully staged. It's 1 hour of absolute theater magic.